Being a part of the Concept Ocean Waste Plastic, you help restore our oceans, reduce the amount of virgin materials brought into the world, minimize your carbon footprint, and at the same time, make a positive social impact for people with less resources. By supporting the Ocean Waste Plastic Concept and our partner company, ReSea Project, you put words into action as we collect more than 100,000 kilograms of plastic from oceans and rivers on a monthly basis. With these plastic collections, you help save animals and restore our most important ecosystem. You also reduce the amount of virgin plastic being produced, as using PCR materials reduce up to 73% less carbon dioxide compared to virgin plastic. As a side benefit, you are making an enormous positive impact on many local communities, as they are now able to support their family. What you do have huge impact for future generations, and together with companies like yours, we are making a sustainable restart. Our journey for a better future has just begun.